Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this class. Let's take you to the illustration before we go further. So we are back again to the story. We are back again. The NFA C-130 incident in Burkina Faso. You're welcome to the class. This is what happened. We thought the crew has been released, but contrary to our thinking and the news, the rumors circulating, they have not been released. They are still in Burkina Faso. And by the way, this particular airplane is not a fighter jet. Please note, it's not a fighter jet. So according to Nigeria, it is on a routine maintenance to Portugal. It is going to Portugal to be maintained. That is what they said. That is from the Nigerian angle. Here is what you need to know about this plane. The C-130 aircraft is a transport plane. It has no weapon. It has no surveillance system whatsoever. It is going for maintenance, not on any spy mission whatsoever. No, it is going for maintenance. So what happened was that on the way to maintenance, it landed in Bobo Dioulasso, Burkina Faso, on its way to Portugal. So here is the controversy. According to NAF, the plane landed safely. It was not forced. Based on, there are speculations that it was forced. They said no interception. It was not intercepted. And it is following aviation rules, safety rules. But here is what rumor says. According to rumors, rumor says the plane was seized and that the plane was on a spy mission and the plane was forced to land. That is what rumors say. Let's look at it further. That is a controversy about the landing. Note, the destination is supposed to be Portugal. That is the destination. Portugal, claim from Nigerian Air Force. This plane is heading for Portugal, for maintenance in Portugal. Now, let's look at other stuffs. Why were there problems? Why were there suspicion? What brought about the suspicion? Why is it high? The AES alliance factor. ECOWAS tension with the AES. Ever since AES played from ECOWAS, there is suspicion, and Nigeria is the leader of ECOWAS. There are suspicions Nigeria could be used by Western forces. And note that AES alliance is anti-West, not really anti-foreign military, but anti-West. And when you say anti-foreign in this sense, it's like you're talking about anti-military. And their fear is also intelligence fear. You hear rumors that the aircraft is armed with so many sophisticated materials. This is according to suspicion. So, and the region is a sensitive one. It is no longer a region where ECOWAS controls, even though it is part of West Africa. But ECOWAS is not in control of this particular area any longer. Now, here is what we know against what we don't know. It is good to argue from a very safe angle. Here is what we know. We don't say what we don't know. What we know, everybody know, whether you're talking from the rumor angle or from the Nigerian Air Force angle. What we know is that the plane, whether forced or not, it landed in Burkina Faso. The second one is that the crew are still being held. And the third one is that diplomatic talks are going on. Nigeria will never leave their crew, their Air Force officials to remain there and be jailed. No. So I believe they are talking. And the whole general problem is trust deficit. The public still has doubt and suspicion. You understand? And there is this, let me tell you, there's this love for Traore. And not really Traore. This revolutionalist movement, I don't want to say cool leaders. Let me call them revolutionalist movement. Revolutionalist movement. There is this followership that they are gaining, especially Ibrahim Traore. Now let's get to another factor. This is what we don't know, not yet confirmed, and that is why it is not good to just make any outright claim without confirmation. Here is what we are not sure, we can't confirm. Whether it is an espionage mission, whether the trip is foreign sponsored, we can't yet confirm that. And we can't yet confirm what is involved in the clearance and talks. But we are aware, naturally, Nigeria would be negotiating the release of their officers. That is what we understand that will naturally happen. So, we believe certainly that what is underway or that what is in progress now, under process, is clearance and talks. That is what we believe. Now, here is what is confirmed. Remember, we told you what we don't yet confirm. But here is what we confirm. The plan is held in Burkina Faso. That is confirmed. The plan is held in Burkina Faso. So this is what we have for you now. Let's go to the whole story proper. So, we're back. NFA plan, Burkina Faso, spying rumors. What really happened? My people, this one a plane matter, but it don't turn to spy movie. One Nigerian Air Force plane land for Burkina Faso. And the next thing, social media. They say CIA, FBI, James Bond, and whatsoever. But wait to make una wait. Waiting really happen. Make we break them down small. The reason I'm coming via Pidgin English, a lot of misinformation is out there. So we want to break it down, especially for Nigerians, because Nigerians are the most concerned in this matter. So, according to Nigerian Air Force, this C-130 plane, no, they go spy anybody, no be spy mission a day. Then say the plane they travel from Nigeria going to Portugal for normal maintenance. Now waiting e go do. As the plane can develop problem upstairs, pilots say make them land for the sake of their safety. So we want to clarify you. So, and that is why we're doing this in Pidgin English. And the place where them land, then they call them Bobo Diobasso inside Burkina Faso. And you know, say, this time around, it get us tense day. The relationship between Nigeria and Burkina Faso, it get us a day.
Communiqué de la Confédération des États du Sahel, AES, relatif à la violation de l'espace aérien confédéral. La Confédération des États du Sahel informe l'opinion qu'un aéronef appartenant à l'armée de l'air de la République fédérale du Nigeria, de type C-130, a été contraint de se poser ce jour 8 décembre 2025 à Bobo Dioulasso, au Burkina Faso, à la suite d'une situation d'urgence en vol, alors qu'il évoluait dans l'espace aérien burkinabé. L'avion militaire avait à son bord 2 membres d'équipage et 9 passagers, tous militaires. Une enquête a été immédiatement ouverte par les services compétents burkinabés et a permis de mettre en évidence l'absence d'autorisation de survol du territoire burkinabé par cet appareil militaire. La Confédération des États du Sahel condamne avec la plus grande fermeté cette violation de son espace aérien et de la souveraineté de ses États membres. Face à cet acte inamical, mené au mépris du droit international et des règles internationales d'aviation civile et ou militaire, les dispositions sont prises pour garantir la sécurité de l'espace aérien confédéral, la souveraineté et l'intégrité territoriale de ses États membres, ainsi que la sécurité des populations de la Confédération AES. À cet égard, et sur instruction des chefs d'État, les défenses aériennes et anti-aériennes de l'espace confédéral mises en alerte maximale conformément à la déclaration du Collège des chefs d'État en date du 22 décembre 2024, ont été autorisés à neutraliser tout aéronef qui violerait l'espace confédéral.
Now here wahala take start. Some people for internet say Burkina Faso seized the plane. They say then catch Nigerian spies. They say ECOWAS don't send some agents. And social media don't already give a title. Mission Impossible, the African version of Mission Impossible. But this one an official statement from the Nigerian Air Force. They say, no, make una calm down.
The Nigerian Air Force, NAF, has responded to accusations from the Confederation of Sahel States, AES, Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger, that a Nigerian military aircraft violated Burkina Faso's airspace and was forced to land. In a statement released on Tuesday, NAF spokesperson Air Commodore Hyman Ejidame said the C-130 Hercules aircraft was on a routine ferry flight from Lagos to Portugal on December 8, 2025 when it encountered a technical fault shortly after departure. The crew observed a technical issue that required a precautionary emergency landing at the nearest suitable airfield, which was Bobo Dioulasso in Burkina Faso, Ejidame explained, adding that the decision fully complied with international aviation safety protocols.
Nigerian Air Force say plane was not forced to land. See what happened. He said nobody intercept them. All document correct. And nothing like spying equipment inside the plane. You know, some people say Bobo Tibo, anything, all the two that they use spy and I'm fool the plane. They say nothing like that. Them say 11 people they inside. And the normal pilots, engineers, support officers. No be say them go spy. No be James Bond film. This one no be CIA matter. No laptop with secret password or nothing like that. Okay, we hear all that. But now, make we ask simple question. Very simple question. Why they never release the plane since? Why the crew never return? According to NAF, they never release them. Why? Now this thing make people begin to think somehow. Say, something really they wrong. Now this thing they raise people suspicion. I want make una understand something. Burkina Faso, no be that Burkina Faso where they see before. Burkina Faso no be ordinary country again. They don't dey into one alliance where they call AES alliance. And that alliance, they no trust anything where they call foreign military. Only Russia then trust. They no trust ECOWAS. For their eye, no be a case of anything being a call, no. Anything will fly for their sky, they don't see them as spy agent. Every uniform feed be agent. So even if your story clean, then go still check and well to make sure say if I the clean. Let me tell you. Based on the thing take go, we don't hear different kind of story inside Nigeria. According to some Nigerian people, they say release the people, make we see. Why delay now? Why then they delay? So as the thing be, no be only about plan. Now something about trust. When trust don't break before, even truth go struggle to stand. Truth go can't get killed. Now waiting they happen for this whole matter. But for this our channel, we're going to talk about CB. No evidence now we say Nigeria go spy Burkina Faso. No evidence. Every other thing is speculation. But also, those crews still there. And the plane still there. Until them release everybody and the plane fly out. We no fit talk. And question go still they go on. Suspicion go still there. People go to say, it be like say, this thing where would they talk? Not true. So this one no be film. This one no be Netflix series. So this one a real diplomacy na in they happen. Real tension. Real West Africa politics na in they happen now. With time we go know where this thing go end. Truth no be shout to, but anybody where they talk truth, you need to make them clear. My people, make una they shine on an eye well. Make una they ask question. Make una no rush the share fake news, say, na so it take happen. This one na IGBO AREA TV, where we break down everything as it take be.